Ang e-Travel Pass ay isang online platform ng Philippine Government kung saan ang mga pasaherong papunta or paalis ng Pilipinas ay kailangang mag-register. Para sa maayos na paglalakbay, gawin o isubmit ang iyong e-Travel Pass 3 days bago ang iyong flight. All passengers, mapa-foreigner o Pinoy, na nagbabalak bumisita sa Pilipinas ay kailangang kumpletuhin ang online na pagpaparehistro para sa e-Travel Pass. Walang bansa sa buong mundo ang kasalukuyang exempted sa requirement na ito. Saang bansa ka man galing, basta papasok or palabas ng bansang Pilipinas, kailangan mo ang e-Travel Pass. Kapag naproseso na ang iyong e-travel application, makaka-receive ka ng QR code sa iyong registered email address. Ito ang iyong ipapakita sa immigration officer sa airport o kaya sa alinmang point of entry, port of entry bilang printed o kaya screenshot. Nasa description box ang link nito. Kailangang mag-login kung wala pang account, lalo na ang mga foreigners na first time magbabakasyon sa Pinas. Pag nakalimutan ang password, click password, i-reset, confirm the desired password and click submit. Ito ang e-Travel Pass papasok sa Pilipinas. Travel registration for me as a current user traveling by air, arrival, entering the Philippines. Then, continue mo lang. Purpose of travel, OFW. Dahil ako ay isang OFW kaya ang nilagay kong purpose of travel ay OFW. Sa mga hindi naman OFW, piliin ninyo ang angkop na purpose of travel ninyo sa drop-down list. Traveler type, aircraft passenger. Name of airlines at saka flight number. Dito sa part na flight information, ilagay mo ang name of aircraft na sasakyan mo papasok ng Pilipinas. For example, from Dubai to Singapore, Singapore Airlines ang gamit mo at ang aircraft number niya ay for example 313, pero hindi pa yon yung aircraft na didiretso ng Pinas, ikaw ay magtra-transit sa Singapore, gagamitin mo ang aircraft number ng Singapore to Manila. Country of origin, airport of origin, date of departure. Pag connecting flight, i-click ang with transit. Country of transit, ilagay ang airport of transit at ang date of transit. Otherwise, i-clear. Airport of destination, Ninoy Aquino International Airport at ang date of arrival. Destination upon arrival in the Philippines, residence, hotel or resort, transit via airport. Baggage declaration para sa custom clearance. All persons and baggage are subject to search at any time. All goods when imported from any foreign country kasama ang mga previously exported from the Philippines ay subject to duties and taxes. Ang mga travelers na magdadala ng mga goods na may value 10,000 below ay hindi na kailangang magbayad ng duties and taxes. Ang mga Filipino citizen ay exempted sa duties and taxes kapag ang kanilang mga goods na dala-dala ay hindi hihigit sa 150,000 pesos in a calendar year. Each traveler is entitled to duty and value-added tax-free importation of 2 reams of cigarettes or 50 sticks of cigars or 250 grams or pipe tobacco and 2 bottles of liquor with total value of 10,000 pesos or less. Kapag hindi mo dineclare ang taxable goods, subject ang traveler to payment of duties and taxes plus 30% surcharge. Prohibited items, written or printed goods, negatives or cinematographic films, materials advocating or inciting treason or rebellion, abortion paraphernalia, adulterated or misbranded foods or drugs, counterfeit goods, goods manufactured in whole or in part of gold, silver, or other precious metals. Passengers should declare if bringing Philippine currency or any Philippine monetary instrument in excess of 50,000 pesos, foreign currency or foreign monetary instrument in excess of 10,000 US dollars or its equivalent. Gambling paraphernalia, cosmetics, skincare products, food supplements and medicines in excess of quantities for personal use, dangerous drugs, firearms, ammunition, alcohol or tomato products in commercial quantities, foodstuffs, fruits, vegetables, live animals, marine and aquatic products, and their byproducts. Mobile phones, handheld radios, and similar gadgets in excess of quantities for personal use. Remains jewelry, gold, precious metals, or gems. Any person bringing into or taking out of the Philippines 50,000 pesos ang limit o kaya 10,000 US dollar ang threshold or its equivalent in any other foreign currency. Non-declaration or false declaration will be subject to offenses that may result to the forfeiture of the goods or imposition of penalties. Do you have baggage or currency to declare? Yes kung meron, otherwise no. Other travel details accompanied by family members, may kasama, wala. 18 years old and above, wala. Number of baggage, check-in, dalawa. Hand carried, 1. First time visiting Philippines, no. Then next. Then signature ka na. Clear kung mali ang signature, ulitin ulit. Next and then submit. Pwede mo tong i-screenshot o kaya naman matatanggap mo yung QR code sa iyong email address. So, ang ipapakita kong e-travel pass ay naka-screenshot. Pwede naman na i-print pero mas gusto ko yung screenshot na lang para hindi ko makalimutan ang aking printout. At madalas ang pinapakita na lang ay mga screenshots sa mga immigration officer.